where the paradox began. Statistical probabilities to make the illusion of the material world. So let's recap this thing just to get a grip on what we're dealing with here. The quantum worlds are literally the framework of this entire place, the thing that we call reality itself. The foundation that actually makes up every single science of this place. So we're in an enormous black abyss of space on a little blue rock of hyper-intensified life and order. In the ancient book of Hebrews, it actually states a very fascinating thing. In the 11th chapter, the 3rd verse, it says, "For we know by faith that it was with words of God that the worlds were formed, that what is seen is made from that which is unseen."